my few cents on do's and don'ts of Facebook marketing. Do's of Facebook marketing. Pay attention to SEO. Do respond quickly and publicly to your customers. Because if you respond quickly to your customers, we can engage our customers and we can have a long run with our customers. Get to know your target audiences. Because when you run a Facebook ad, you should know your target audiences based on their niche, based on their interest, based on their inspirations. Do highlight companies, events, and milestones because whenever you do a event or a milestone, always have a highlight. Do create an editorial calendar to help you create quality, consistent posts. Don'ts of Facebook marketing. Don't be deceptive. Do not set your ad set as bait for your viewers. Don't ignore mobile users. Don't argue with customers in public because if you argue with a customer in public, it is not fair. Let me tell one thing. If you do something good to one customer, that customer can bring you hundreds of customer. But if you argue or do something to your customer, that customer can uh, reduces thousands of customers of yours. So don't argue with your customers in public or in private places also don't argue. Don't put your campaign on autopilot.